Hi Room 6 friends. So excited we get to continue our Elephant and Piggy author study by, do you remember who? Mel Willems. Today we are reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Uh-oh, that's troublesome because who's Gerald's best friend? All right. Gerald. What do you want to do today? I want to, yes? What? A ball, a swim, a hat. Chew! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chew. I cannot stop chew. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. Looks like a cat doctor. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Sud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, 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 great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Looks like Gerald got his friend Piggy sick. Let's see. I forgot to do this last time. Let's see if you can find the pigeon. I'll put it up close. There you see it? Okay, so today for writing, you are going to write about a time when you were sick. And you're going to share it to Flipgrid today so that I can see your writing. And when you are writing, you should have more than one sentence. So we made a list of people and places. So think about those people, and can you include them in your story? So when you were sick, who was there? Did anybody take care of you? Did you have to take medicine? Think about all of those things. I can't wait to watch your videos on Flipgrid, and make sure you check out your friends' videos on Flipgrid. You can see theirs, and you can also, there's a little heart in the corner, you can like your friends' post so they know that you watched it. All right, have so much fun today, and we are going to Zoom tomorrow, Wednesday, so I will see you then. Bye guys, miss you.